Welcome back to GastroVision. Today, we're tackling one of the most challenging aspects of endoscopic ultrasound, visualizing the right hepatic segments from the duodenal bulb. Let's dive in. Visualizing the right liver segments requires a systematic approach, and it all starts with following the main portal vein. Here's the key technique. We're going to rotate anticlockwise while releasing the big knob of your echoendoscope. As you begin this maneuver, watch for the inferior vena cava to come into view. Notice how segment 1 sits right between the main portal vein and the IVC. This is your first landmark. Now, continue your anticlockwise rotation and follow the main portal vein. You'll soon see it divide into two major branches, the right portal vein and the left portal vein. The right portal vein runs close to your transducer, moving toward the left and upward direction. Meanwhile, the left portal vein travels away from the transducer, heading downward. And look here, segment 4 appears right in front of the MPV division. Keep these anatomical relationships in mind as we proceed. Time to extend that big knob downward and continue your anticlockwise rotation. We're now following the right portal vein. And if you look carefully, you'll also see the right hepatic artery running alongside it, a helpful confirmation that you're on the right track. As you trace the right portal vein further, watch for its division into two branches, the right anterior portal vein, RAPV, and the right posterior portal vein, RPPV. Having trouble visualizing this division? Here's a pro tip. Turn your little knob counterclockwise and gently pull the scope back against the pylorus. This subtle adjustment can make all the difference. Now comes the exciting part, identifying the individual segments. The right anterior portal vein divides into branches supplying segments 5 and 8, while the right posterior portal vein supplies segments 6 and 7. Think of your screen as a clock face. Segment 5 appears close to the transducer, in the left upper quadrant. Just below it, in the left lower quadrant, you'll find segment 8. Moving to the right side of your screen, segment 7 sits in the right lower quadrant, with segment 6 above it in the right upper quadrant, close to the transducer. And here's another useful landmark. The gallbladder neck typically appears near segment 5. Continue your anticlockwise rotation, and you'll visualize the right kidney alongside segments 5 and 6. This confirms you've successfully navigated through the right hepatic anatomy. One more structure to mention. You can follow the right hepatic duct by tracing along the RPV. Keeping these vascular and biliary relationships clear is essential for comprehensive EUS examination. Mastering right hepatic segment visualization takes practice, patience, and systematic technique. Remember the key steps. 1. Start by following the MPV with anticlockwise rotation. 2. Identify the RPV-LPV division. 3. Trace the RPV and its branches. 4. Use scope adjustments to optimize visualization. And 5. Build your mental map using consistent anatomical landmarks. Practice these maneuvers, and soon they'll become second nature. Thanks for watching GastroVision. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more EUS tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep scanning.